Hi, I'm Amanda Packard, and this is a presentation on shapes. One of the most basic shapes we learn about is a circle, and as you can see, there's the shape right there on the left. On the right are some examples that you can find around the world, like clocks or donuts, or obviously the world is round as well. Another shape is an oval. This is close to a circle, but longer. Some examples of this are balloons, eggs, and footballs. A cylinder is more of a 3D shape. This can be found in logs, cans of soup or vegetables, or trash cans as well. A heart is another basic shape. An example of this are Valentine candies or the Purple Heart Award that you can get from the military. There is a cone, which is another 3D shape, and some examples of this you can find in an ice cream cone, a funnel, or just some cones along construction. And there's also a triangle. This can be found in musical instruments, road signs, and when you set up pool balls as well. A star has a couple different shapes to it. One of the most well-known is the 5-point star, and you can find this on top of Christmas trees or in starfish. But there's also a 4-point star, which looks more like the stars that we see in the sky. There is a pyramid, which is another 3D shape. We can find these in Egypt, or people make human pyramids. This is also the shape that's pretty well used for our nutritional facts as well. Like the star, a diamond has a couple different shapes to it. There's the basic 4-sided diamond, which is like a kite or a baseball diamond. And then there's the diamonds that we see when we look at a ring or something, and that has like the flat top to it. And there's a square, and that's one of also really basic shape, one of the first shapes we learn. Some examples of this are the television screen or a stamp. A rectangle, like an oval, is to a circle. A rectangle is longer than a square. Some examples of this are books, dollar bills, and picture frames, which you can see right there on the right are some pictures of that. An arrow is more of a complex shape, but we can see it in a lot of different places, such as road signs and in archery. Trapezoid, that's a harder shape to find an example of, but a lot of alarm clocks have the front of it have the shape of a trapezoid, or some lampshades or money pouches do as well. Hexagon has 6 sides to it, and some examples of this could be like patio, bricks, or beehives, colored pencils, or nuts. An octagon has 8 sides, and the most common example of this is a stop sign, whether it is a road sign or one on a bus. All of my information came from prior knowledge, and all of the images came from clip art.